This thing is the biggest piece of I have ever seen. Yo, what's up? It's Myrtle450 here. This very well might be the last video I make in front of this here Disgraceful HE washing machine from 2006. It's still working, but for now, it's getting a replacement. What will it be replaced? After all, the 2018 Speed Queens are out, and that ruined Speed Queen. So, what am I going to replace this with? Well, here's what it will be replaced with. A Speed Queen from 2018. That doesn't suck. It is the Speed Queen LWNE52, if I'm correct. The 52 series. On-premises commercial machine. It's basically a stripped down 8 series Speed Queen. However, I shouldn't I shouldn't really say stripped down, because it's the only thing it doesn't have that the 8 series has is a cycle signal option, and the LEDs are green rather than blue, and the logo is orange, as you probably noticed from the image I put up. So yeah, we're getting the last of the good Speed Queens, and I've heard that they're going to keep this model in production, the LWNE52, for the remainder of 2018 at least. So we're going to have the last good Speed Queen that they will ever make, theoretically, unless customer backlash gets so bad that they decide to just straight up abandon the 2018 machines and bring back the 2017 Speed Queen we all want. But as of now, that's the only good Speed Queen I recommend getting, the LWNE52. And that will be the replacement for this here Disgraceful HE washing machine. No more of this machine. If it's still around next time I'm here, I'm going to try to get a full cycle of it. Just because, just send it off with a bang, if you will. But while we're here, I guess we could laugh at the ridiculously long cycle times. So 50 minutes normal cycle. Express wash is 41 minutes. Heavy duty is an hour and 20 minutes. And forget it, once you add an extra rinse, Save Energy Plus adds 6 minutes, Save Energy and second rinse brings it above what it can actually put. So I can add all the options that possibly add time, and it will just keep showing 99. But I'm kind of scared to know how long that would take. I'm very scared to know. But if I take it all off, and put it to light, it takes a little more than an hour. And bring it to cold, and then it goes down to 50, because that makes sense. And a soak adds only 15 minutes to a cycle. Yeah. Adds quite a bit of time adding any of these options. I'm not going to do an all programs thing like Witch Washer 2007 does. But Whitest Whites takes 85 minutes on default. Take off the second rinse. 72 minutes. Bring it down to light. I just want to see how short I can get this cycle. The answer is an hour. 59 minutes if I put it on warm cold. By the way, this thing has a warm rinse, believe it or not. However, it does have auto temp control. So hot, I guarantee you it's not hot. Delicate is probably the quickest cycle here. 31 minutes if I take it off the spin. Hey, my Speed Queen does that on heavy duty. What does this thing do on heavy duty? 80 minutes? Jeez. Yeah. Darks, it's the same cycle as normal, just with a different name, and 2 minutes off the time for some reason. But if I put it on a warm watch, I guarantee it'll be 50. Oh, it won't let me use COT. Nope, it actually shortens the time. 51 minutes for sheets towels. That's the deep wash cycle, and that's the cycle I typically use on here. The deep wash. Well, used, because this is about to be a Speed Queen. Bulky, 53 minutes. Express wash, 41, and we've officially gone through the entire dial. Mist drain spin, 24 minutes. 14 minutes for just a spin. Yeah. I never liked this machine.
Goodbye, Disgraceful HD washing machine.
You will not be missed. Except for your entertainment value. Your entertainment value's been good, but you can't do anything else. You won't be missed. You won't be missed. This has been Smyrtle 450, and I'm out. I will see you next time.